In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Outlook inbox and revitalize your email now. Whether you're dealing with unsynced emails or just want to make sure everything is up to date and visible, I'll guide you through this straightforward process. We'll start by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook page, so open your web browser of choice and navigate to the Outlook website. Once the page is loaded, you should see the familiar Outlook interface where you can click on the Sign In button. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in your email address and password with care to avoid any typing errors that might hinder your access. Once you've done that, hit the Next button. This will take you to the main Outlook dashboard. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where your email folders are listed. Click on the Inbox to open it up. This is where we'll be focusing our efforts today. The next action you need to take is to press the F9 key on your keyboard. Doing this initiates the synchronization process. You might be wondering, why F9? Well, in Outlook, the F9 key acts as a shortcut to refresh your mailbox and collect new emails from the server. This is a handy feature when you suspect that there might be emails you're not seeing. As you press F9, keep an eye out for a small pop-up message or indication at the bottom of your screen. This notification will inform you that the sync process is underway. The duration of this process might vary depending on the number of emails and the speed of your internet connection, but it usually doesn't take too long. Once the sync is complete, you'll notice that your inbox is freshly updated. Any previously hidden or unsynced emails should now appear. It's like giving your inbox a little nudge to reveal everything that's been lurking in the background. If you often find that emails are missing or showing up late, pressing F9 regularly can be a quick fix to maintain a tidy and current inbox. Refreshing your inbox comes in handy, especially if you frequently deal with time-sensitive emails and want to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. This tip is a simple yet effective way to stay on top of your email game. And that's it. Your inbox is now completely revitalized, granting you full access to all your recent communications. Remember, next time you feel something might be missing in your email, just follow these steps to sync it up. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.